got my keycap, so let's change my keyboard. This is the box that I got it in, and this is the keyboard that I'm going to switch it out in. Creamy keyboards only. This is what I use to take the keycaps out, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I do this as well. Are the keycaps. Look how beautiful these are. Now we're going to switch the keycaps out. So I'm literally just putting this part in the end on both sides. Wait until they're in there and then pull. So putting the keycap on is actually really easy. Literally, this is the bottom. You just put it on. I'll just get the next one. And again, same thing. Just put it in. And I'm all finished. Let me show you. We're all done. This is how the keyboard came out, and that is how you change your keycaps. If you have any questions on how I did this, you guys can comment below. Would you want to see more up close? And yeah, and I'll definitely help you with that, or you can message me. If you are interested, I can also put the link probably in the comments. That way you guys can go buy some yourself as well. If you guys need any more tips on how to change your keyboards, keycaps, just let me know in the comments. Bye.